Today we're on the Eastern Sierra and we are attempting to partially hike the Kearsarge Pass Trail. It is a 16-mile out and back trail, but we will only go about 3.5 miles in to Gilbert Lake. This is the trailhead to Kearsarge Pass. Gilbert Lake is about 3.5 miles from here. I estimate it's going to take 90 minutes to 2 hours, but we'll see. It's a beautiful day, about 70 degrees, mid-August. This is day one of a 2-day trip. Just arrived about an hour ago. Got ready, had some breakfast, and now we're heading up the mountain. We'll see. I'm thinking to spend the day at the lake. I brought some lunch. Maybe we take a dip and then get back to the car, find a place to camp for the night, and then maybe tomorrow to the Alabama hills. We'll see. We don't really have a plan, and it's awesome. Oh, that's how cold the lake is.
Oh, it's so high up my finger!
Well, we just left the first lake. We're about 2 miles in. It's about 12:30 now. The wireless mic that I brought already died, so I hope the audio quality is not too bad. It has been strenuous. Not so much the hike, but you can really feel the altitude. The hike started at 9,000 feet and we'll land at about 10,000 feet. So yeah.
About 10,000 feet?
We're walking slowly.
What?
We have all day.
Okay, we fall.
But it's wonderful.
I hope we don't fall because we're
All worth the
about
effort.
10,000 feet. Just arrived, guys. Are you gonna jump in?
We arrived at the beautiful Gilbert Lake. A very, very strenuous hike, but with a beautiful payoff. I'm going to show you the views. They're breathtaking. We have some clouds in the sky. We do have snow in the mountains. Crystal clear water. I mean, What else do you want? I'm gonna make some lunch and we're gonna enjoy ourselves up here. We just had lunch, rested a little bit. Johnny was playing in the water. We're gonna look for some viewpoints, maybe take some photos, and then we're on our way back. It's about 2:30 right now, and it's probably gonna take an hour to get back to the car. We're about halfway down now. We felt some raindrops. There are some rain clouds in the sky, but nothing serious. Probably another half hour back to the car. Then we're gonna look for a camping spot. We'll see you down there.
Okay, that's scary. I don't like that.
We're on the way back now, driving down into the valley. There are 2 campgrounds, actually 3. And we're gonna check if they have some sites available. We met another guy earlier, and he said they should have some sites available. So you typically reserve them through recreation.gov, but they have some walk-in sites. So fingers crossed that we get lucky. And it's starting to rain. Well, good morning everyone. It's about 6:30 now. Yesterday I was so exhausted I couldn't even talk. So we made food and we went straight to bed. I slept about 9 hours, but I feel refreshed. Already got a coffee enjoying the sunrise here in the Eastern Sierras. And once Gianni gets up, we'll make a plan for the day.
From the burners, look, smoke stick. Smoke wood. Yeah. Is the ketchup hot? But why did it say hot ketchup? You have to cook it?
Hot means like spicy.
Oh, so it's spicy ketchup. Yeah, those are the brakes.
We just left camp and we're now on our way to the Alabama hills. We're just gonna spend a few hours there because we want to come back one day and explore them. But since they're on our way back home, we'll just stop there, maybe do a short hike, enjoy the scenery.
Close your eyes, hear the voice within, calling. This heavy load got under your skin, hauling. You got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your feelings bottled up inside, heading for a collision in the night. To really live, you gotta die. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors, colors, colors. Round.
We are now on the Arch Loop Trail. This is a short hike here in the Alabama hills. I actually did that before several years with my daughter, who's now a teenager. But I thought I'd come back, show it to Gianni. And it's a nice way to end the trip.
Well, there ain't much time left to figure things out. Deep underneath all the laser, your doubts. There's a heart gone out of rhythm in despair. Held underwater, fine for air. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the
And with that, we're just gonna head back to the car, grab some lunch on the way, and head back home. I hope you enjoyed the video. We certainly enjoyed the trip, and see you next time.